money on YouTube can be a great way to turn your creative passions into a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time career. However, getting started on YouTube and monetizing your channel can be intimidating, especially for beginners. Here are some tips to help you get started on your journey to earning money on YouTube. Create a consistent and high-quality content schedule. To build a loyal audience and increase your chances of earning money on YouTube, it's important to consistently create and publish high-quality content. This can mean posting new videos on a regular basis, such as once a week or once a day. By consistently putting out content, you'll be more likely to grow your subscriber base and monetize your channel. Leverage YouTube's monetization options. There are several ways to monetize your YouTube channel, including through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. To access these monetization options, you'll need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply for YouTube's partner program and start earning money from your videos. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other creators is a great way to grow your channel and potentially earn more money on YouTube. By partnering with other creators, you can cross-promote each other's content and potentially reach a larger audience. Just make sure to carefully vet any collaboration opportunities and only work with creators who align with your values and brand. Utilize YouTube's tools and resources. YouTube offers a variety of tools and resources to help creators grow and monetize their channels. For example, YouTube Studio is a powerful tool that allows you to manage and analyze your channel's performance, while YouTube Creator Academy offers free courses and tutorials on topics like creating and optimizing videos and building a community on YouTube. Engage with your audience. Building a community of engaged viewers is key to earning money on YouTube. Respond to comments and interact with your viewers, and consider hosting Q&A sessions or live streams to connect with your audience in real time. By actively engaging with your viewers, you'll be more likely to build a loyal following and monetize your channel. Earning money on YouTube takes time and dedication, but by following these tips and staying consistent, you can turn your passion for creating videos into a successful and lucrative career.